Today I'm going to show you how you can take one of your Instagram Reels and post it to your story right there on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. First thing, obviously, open up the app and then you want to make sure that you are viewing your profile page. To do that, just select your little icon in the bottom right hand corner down below and it should take you to your page. From there, you want to scroll and you want to find the reel that you are wanting to post to your story. So let's say I want to post my most recent one right here. Well, we want to make sure that we are viewing it, and then we want to scroll down and make sure that we tap on the little paper plane icon right over here. So we can go ahead and select this. It will give us a couple different options. Obviously, the one we want to choose is the one right down there on the bottom left hand corner that says add to story. We can go ahead, select this, and then once we are inside the story here, we have all of the different features that we can normally do inside of our stories, as far as resizing it, tilting it. We can add text, we can add music, all of that. All right, so we have the full scope of everything available to us in our stories. From there, we can go ahead and either just tap on your story and it should post immediately, or you can go ahead and select that little icon on the bottom right hand corner. And then in here, you'll have the couple different options. You can post it to just your story. You can do it to just close friends. It's up to you, and you would just select share. And then you are good to go, and you've officially posted your reel to your Instagram story. Just do keep in mind that if it's more than 15 seconds long, it's probably not going to play the entire reel, and instead it's going to cut it down to like a little 15-second clip. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.